The question our research group posed was, what are the delivery limits of the U.S. Postal Service? Having long been, it's jumping through them, and I want to go backward. I touched it. Having long been genuine admirers of the Postal Service, which gives amazingly reliable service, especially compared with many other countries, our team of investigators decided to test the delivery limits of this immense system. We knew that an item, say a saucepan, normally would be in a package because of USPS concerns of entanglement in their automated machinery. For example, many people are familiar with the experience of receiving a bagged piece of torn or burned mail accompanied by a polite note of apology from the post office. But what if the items sent were not wrapped? How patient are postal employees? How honest? How sentimental? In short, how eccentric a behavior on the part of the sender would still result in successful mail delivery. We sent a series of unpackaged or otherwise irregular items appropriately stamped for size and weight to see how many and which ones would actually arrive at their destination. We began the project by obtaining and reviewing relevant information on USPS regulations and discussing the planned project in a very limited and hypothetical manner with USPS 800 number personnel. We then assembled and abundantly stamped test samples and mailed them at public postal collection sites. When possible, to cram the item through the aperture, or at postal stations if possible. For example, in one case an item was placed in a postal bin while diversion was created down the street to distract the worker. In no case did the recipient know the identity of the sender. This kept the recipient genuinely innocent of the identity of the sender in case an item had to be picked up at a postal station. Gloves were used to prepare the mailings to avoid fingerprints, and in no case was a return address given. The object either went forward to its destination or was lost to follow-up. An object was considered lost if it was not received within the 180-day study parameter. All objects were sent first class using 5-digit zip codes to real domestic addresses. In most cases, a card was strapped to the object with duct tape or stranded strapping